नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Srimahans, Mahans, Kotaris, Tanedars who are sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, Lotus News Channel, Janashri TV, Ishwar TV, two-way video conferencing, having Nayanadiksha in many cities around the world, and the Swamis from various organizations, Akkadas, orders who have come in the Haridwar. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. The cities sitting with us in two-way video conferencing, having Nayanadiksha, Newfoundland, Canada, London, Kashi, Dakota Dunes, Nityananda Nagaramu, Hyderabad, Indrani, New Jersey, Devon, UK, Monterrey, Mexico, Port Washington, New York, Seremban, Shivakasi, Hyderabad, Gupta Kashi, Dakota Dunes, Pennsylvania, Highland Creek, North Carolina, Dubai, Vaidyanathan, Dhyanapidam, Hosur, Johor Bahru, Tiruchendur, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, Seremban, Shivakasi, Atlanta, Ujjaini, Johor Bahru, Tiruchendur, High Point, North Carolina, London, Kashi, Houston, Kalahasti, Devon, UK, Toronto, Canada, Los Angeles, Arunachalam, Bididi, Nityananda Nagara, Bididi, Torrance, California, Kuala Lumpur, Palani, Singapore, Singapuram, Vancouver, Bhubaneswar, Seattle, Chidambaram, Ohio, Prayag, Charlotte, Srisailam, Oklahoma, Somanatham, Toronto, Kailasam, St. Louis, Tirumala, San Jose, Madurai, Corona, California, Oklahoma, Somanatham, Kulim, Tiruttani, Oman, Sivagangai, Toronto, Downtown, Tiruvanmiyur, Chennai, Redmond, Washington, RR Complex, Tiruvannamalai, and Jorpati, Nepal, Hong Kong. So I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Port Washington, New York, I can see you guys. Yes. Blessings. New Zealand, Adi Arunachalam, I can see you now. Dakota Dunes, Nityananda Nagaramu, Hyderabad, I can see you guys all joining in. Yes. Today I will expand on the necessity for the space of Advaita in our everyday life. Please understand, truths about life helps you to form the best strategies for your living. Please listen. Why should you know which switch to be on for light, which switch to be on for fan, which switch to be on for air condition? Why do you need to know? Because this truth will make you decide a right strategy and help you to be comfortable in your everyday living. Please understand. When people ask, why should we have the space of Advaita in everyday living, the whole question seems to be stupid. The space of Advaita gives you the best strategy from which you can operate. You want to continue to live in lies, spread lies. Please understand, living in lies, spreading lies, the biggest problem is you get confused about what do you want. Getting confused about what you want is a failure. Getting confused about who you are is depression. Please understand. Getting confused about what you want is only failure, but getting confused about who you are is depression. Even if you allow the failure, don't allow depression. Even the word depression is too small. Getting confused about who you are and not being sure about who you are. The identity crisis. The identity crisis. Please understand, the identity crisis. Integrity itself is a principle which solves the identity crisis for you. See, integrity actually solves identity crisis for you. Just try. In the 21 days of inner awakening, you will be made to live integrity because of the power of the Master's presence, because I am constantly living it. You can't avoid, because I am sitting here and asking, hey, who is missing? If your friend is missing, raise your hand. If your neighbor is missing, raise your hand. So simply, you cannot escape saying, I have this pain, that pain, because any reason you give, I will solve it. So you will be stuck, unable to give any reason. Even these 21 days of integrity will give you so much of clarity about who you are. The identity crisis will be solved, I tell you. The identity crisis will be solved. Understand? In the world, in the universe, only two things have a power to solve identity crisis. One, integrity. Second, Master's love. Because Master's love will give you a new identity. It will give you a new identity. Even is screaming. will give you new identity. A small story. One guy came late, fully drunk. The moment he entered the house, he vomited, made the whole place dirty, and slowly he was dragged to the bed by wife, and wife cleaned the whole house. Next day morning, when he was slowly waking up, he remembered what happened yesterday night, and he was just praying that there should not be any fight. He doesn't know how he is going to handle. He doesn't even want to open his eyes. But suddenly he felt a sweet smell in the room, the smell of the bed coffee. When he slowly opened his eyes, he saw a note next to his table. Honey, coffee is here. When you wake up, please have your coffee. I'll be back in few minutes from market. And hot breakfast is there on the dining table. He was shocked. He opened the eyes and saw, yes, wife's handwriting. He looked this side and that side. He saw his daughter sitting in one corner. He asked her, where is mother? She has gone to pick up vegetables. He asked her, what happened? Morning, how is her mood? She's angry? The kid replied, no, she was very happy. Father asked, tell me exactly what all happened yesterday night. The kid replied, Dad, when mom was dragging you to bed, after you vomited in the hall, when she was trying to drag you to bed and make you sleep, you blabbered, hey lady, leave me, I am married. Understand the integrity to one idea. Integrity even to one idea keeps the life alive. Even if you miss integrity in few things, if you are integrated to what you stand for, keeps life alive. Please understand, the fact about life empowers you for an amazing strategy plan. Driving license empowers you to drive. Reach out to wherever you want and live your life. The facts about life gives you the license to plan the right strategies for your life. Please understand, right strategies for life, right thinking pattern, when it is given to a kid, when he or she is a child, the amount of life, energy, love, laughter, joy, intelligence, wisdom, they radiate. Unimaginable.